Hi, Scorpio. Tignan natin kung anong meron sa'yo. Past, present, and future. Maaaring naganap na, magaganap pa lang, or kasalukuyang nagaganap. Okay? So, tignan natin. Maaaring energy mong masagap ko, or energy ng taong nakapalibot sa'yo, or energy ng taong connected sa'yo. So, tignan natin. You have Native American. Wisdom. Okay. And authority figure. Okay. So, tingnan natin at the bottom of the deck. You have the High Priest or Priestess. Wow. So, Scorpio, sa nakikita ko dito, meron kang kaalaman, okay? Or meron kang knowledge on something or required sa'yo na meron, baka hindi mo pa alam sa ngayon, pero I think you are going to know it anyway at the end of the day. So, we'll clarify the Native American. Baka Native American ko or something. May lahi. Or maybe you are connecting with a Native American or something or what. We'll see. Clarify or baka yung kulay mo or baka something similarity. Okay. So, we'll see. Clarify the Native American for my Scorpio. You have the King of Wands. King of Wands, Nine of Swords, and Three of Swords. What happened to you? Let's see, wisdom. Okay, you are searching wisdom here. Queen of Cups. Four of Cups. Two of Cups. Eight of Cups. At saka Five of Pentacles in the reverse. Very clear here, Strength card at the bottom of the deck. So very clear here, Scorpio, okay, from what I'm sensing. In the first row, if you are connecting with someone here that may be related to Native American or something traditional or blood, or ancient blood or kalahi-lahian, or baka ikaw, as I said, either ikaw energy mo or energy ng taong connected sa'yo or environment mo. Okay? So, sa nakikita ko dito with the first row, Native American, clarified by the King of Wands, Knight of Swords, and the Three of Swords, I think there is something heartbroken here. Okay, something is not, it's not what you think it is. Like, I think nag-expect ka, expectation mo is dinala ka sa Three of Swords. Okay, so don't expect something. Or maybe you are, kasi anxiety na to, Brad. Anxiety hanggang sa depression, hanggang sa na-heartbroken ka na. Because it's all about in your thoughts. Okay, if you are connecting with someone, connected ka sa someone, or maybe ikaw to, King of Wands, someone or something doesn't go in your way. Okay, and you're stressing out because maybe related sa gender mo, or related sa nationality mo, or related on something, image mo physically, or whatsoever. I think it didn't go out your way. I think hindi nag-take place yung in-expect mo. Malakas ang expectation dito. Bakit ko nasabing expectation? Kasi hindi ka mai-stress out kung hindi ka nag-expect on something. Okay. King of Wands is a go-getter card. I think you are going after on something or on someone, but it didn't work out. It brings you to Three of Swords. Okay. Lahat ng mga pinag-isipan mo or pinagplanuhan mo, or I think it didn't work out in your way and you are heartbroken at the moment, or maybe past na to or present or future. As I said, just take how it's resonate. Okay. Three of Cups, you have celebration here as well, or maybe you found out the third party here, because Three of Swords and the Three of Cups represent two scenario ang nakukuha ko sa combination na to. Three of Swords together with the Three of Cups, finding out with the third party, or maybe after the heartbreak, after the heartbroken here, you're going to celebrate, or you are trying yourself, trying hard to um, uh, connect with the community, connect with your friends, to distract yourself about the pain that you are enduring. Okay, so maybe Three of Cups is celebration, getting in together, seeing your friends long term, I mean long time friends na long time no see, now kind of thing, and you are distracting yourself about about the pain that you are having right now or experiencing right now. Or maybe this is in the past and you cannot still move on what happened. I don't know if this is a relationship wise or career wise, if maybe something happened, someone rejected you, or career or relationship or something, or maybe it will not work out because of the differences here with the Native American, and you are like this Filipino, or I don't know, maybe your skin color, or maybe the way you look, or physically kind of thing. Bahala ka kung saan mo ilalapag yan. Basta ang nakikita ko dito is hindi na work out the way you wanted to work out. Okay? Same thing to the another person. Okay? If you are connecting with another person, or same thing if you are in the career, maybe the job that you are applying for is not required for the like this. Maybe ang hinahanap nila mga putian lang, or what, I don't know. You know what I mean? I don't know. Just take how it's resonate for you. Basta yun ang nakikita ko dito, and you are stressing out, you are heartbroken, and you are trying your best to celebrate or to distract yourself about the situation that happened to you. Very painful. Not painful, but I think it's painful kasi Three of Swords. So, Three of Swords at saka Nine of Swords is a depressed energy, okay? Or even if it's not, maybe you found out the third party, someone put you in the third party situation, okay? At saka yung pinagpalit sa'yo is kind of Native American kind of thing, or ibang lahi, like what Huwag na tayong pumunta dyan, huwag na tayong, basta sinasabi ko lang sa yung mga scenario na nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. So, yun lang, okay? Yeah. Regarding naman dito sa wisdom, clarified by the Page of Swords, Queen of Cups, at saka Four of Cups, I think you are searching on something here to gain some wisdom. I think you already know, but you are still searching for it. You need confirmation, okay? If the wisdom that you possess is really certified kind of thing, you know? If kung ano man yung mga nalalaman mo, gusto mong i-confirm mo pa kung talagang proven, okay? Kung mai-apply mo ba sa in different kind of situation. Kasi based on your experience, kaya nakaka-gain ka ng wisdom right? If you are an well-experienced person in life, you have a lot of wisdom. But I think you are still searching here, you're still learning here, or you are just searching for confirmation if it's gonna work out. I think with you are doing it with compassion, you're doing it with sympathy, you're doing it with comprehension with the Queen of Cups, okay? So, yeah, with the Four of Pentacles, you are not interested on something here. Temperance, Judgment card. Let me see. Judgment card and Emperor card. I think maybe this is regarding to work. If you are, I think, hindi ko alam kasi ang Four of Cups para sa akin is a rejection word, okay? So, I don't know if you are rejecting an offer here because baka overqualified ka, or baka kailangan mo pa ng marami pang experiences when it regards to job. Kasi Emperor card is a boss energy for me, and the Four of Cups and the Judgment card is a workplace for me, like final judgment, I think. Or maybe na-hire ka and your boss is requiring you to do this and you are searching here with the Wisdom card and the Internet card, Spying card, okay? So, it makes sense. Or maybe if ikaw ang boss, Scorpio, you are gaining a lot of May rejection kasi dito. Meron kang na-reject na offer dito. For sure. Okay. Kasi Four of Cups is a missed opportunity or missed opportunity for me. Lahat po ng reader is may kanya-kanya po silang intuition regarding po sa card at saka sa combination ng card. Hindi lang po kami sumusunod sa instruction ng card or kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng card sa libro. Ginagamitan po namin ng intuition ng mga combination at depende po sa naririnig na it's weird, hard explanation, but you will know. I cannot explain. Anyway, Scorpio. Anyway, hindi ko pwedeng explain sa iyo ang mga hindi dapat i-explain. Okay, basta ang sa nakita ko dito with the Emperor card, boss energy, I think you are rejecting on something. May nireject ka, meron kang tinurn down dito at saka final judgment mo na yon, or maybe ikaw ang tinurn down yung offer mo or something, yung idea mo hindi qualified yung idea mo, or maybe yung idea nila is hindi qualified sa iyo, so nagre-require ka pa ng marami pang wisdom or nagre-require ka pa ng maraming research regarding sa situation. Okay, but the judgment is here. Queen of Cups and the Emperor card, I don't think so, but this is what I'm feeling. Okay, so either way, energy po is walang gender. So Emperor, it doesn't mean baka babae ka nanonood nito, tapos iniisip mo Emperor, baka ikaw ang nag-i-embody ng Emperor card. Emperor is a boss energy, commander energy. Okay, doesn't take any bullshit at saka very wise person. Okay, very controlling as well. So kung ikaw yan, babae ka, nanonood ka nito, pwede yung ini-embody mo yung Emperor energy. If lalaki ka naman, same thing. So yun po nakikita ko sa second row. Okay, you are searching something here to gain wisdom, or you already have the wisdom but you are just searching for confirmation if it's legit or if it's need to work out on something or somewhere. Okay, so yun ang nakikita ko dito. But with the authority figure, Two of Cups, Eight of Cups, oh my God, nag-walk away ka on something or someone, or you need to make a decision right here. You feel left out, or maybe someone is feeling left out by you when it regards to love connection here. Okay, Two of Cups, I think someone walk away from you or you walk away from someone. But basta ang nakikita ko dito is someone is feeling left out with the Five of Pentacles. Someone is feeling left out but not anymore. Okay, pero pinagdaanan niya to, Five of Pentacles in the reverse. Okay, Four of Pentacles, Four to the Five of Pentacles, okay. But still cannot move on. If someone walks away from you, Scorpio, or maybe you walk away from someone, this person cannot move on. Okay, they are trying themselves to not feeling left out in the cold by you, or ikaw ang nag-i-embody ng energy na yan. Four of Pentacles cannot move on. Okay? Cannot move on. Why? Sometimes can represent greediness when it regards to finances, okay? But we are in the Two of Cups. Okay, so we are in the love aspect here. Authority, if you are married or if you are looking forward to get married or something, it didn't work out because the person is walking away, or you feel that this person is gonna walk away, or maybe you feel you need to walk away with this person, but the connection is there. Two of Cups. Okay, the connection here is very, very deep, should I say. Deep, why? Because Two of Cups is equal give and take. You have the experience before. You feel this person's cup and this person feel your cup. Okay? In some point, meron kayong pinagsamahan. Okay, but with the authority figure, something happened here. Okay, baka naudlot na engagement or naudlot na relationship or a divorce kind of thing if you are already married. I don't know. But this person cannot move on. Okay, hindi siya maka-move on to the fact na with the Two of Cups, meron kayong past or meron kayong something that you shared together na hindi basta-bastang mabe-break. Okay. Ayun ang nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. So, this person cannot move on in any way, shape, or form. Okay, with the authority figure, I don't know. But with the Three of Wands, someone is planning here. King of Cups. Interesting. Someone is planning here to talk to you, to share their emotion, but this person is emotionally balanced or trying hard for themselves to represent, to represent yung, ang tawag niyan, kakabulol-bulol na ako. Ang King of Cups is a person that is very balanced emotionally, very compassionate, diplomatic kind of thing, in control, balanced, very supportive, okay, empathetic, okay. But this person is planning ahead to talk to you, to talk to you about what happened or the emotion that they are feeling towards you, Scorpio. Yan ang nakikita ko dito. This person is gonna may hinihintay lang siya. Three of Wands para sa akin is planning ahead. He's waiting on something, or she is waiting on something to come towards you to express. But this person is gonna come towards you in a very emotionally diplomatic, emotionally professional kind of approach. Yung nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. So whomever you are dealing with, together with the Strand Card at the bottom of the deck and the High Priestess, ikaw baka dito ang sa nakikita ko with the High Priestess and Priestesses, your intuition is very strong. Your intuition is your partner right now, your best friend. So whatever your gut is telling you, go for it, because it's gonna take you from in a very good way. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Scorpio. Sana naman hindi ko kayo na-confuse. But at the same time, bibigyan ko kayo ng advice. Someone, I don't know, Scorpio, what is happening to you. But the High Priestess here, the ball is on your court, actually. The ball is on your court. Even though na may mga hindi nag-work out in the past, I think you are on the stage of taking your power back. Okay. 2024 for you is like, nag-set ka ng goals at saka magsiset ka ng mga boundaries dito. And you are searching knowledge and wisdom as well. With regards to the situation or for yourself itself. Advice for you is don't let pride get in the way. Pride. Sino ma-pride? Baka ikaw nga. You're very close to achieving your goals. So, definitely, a win-win outcome is in the forecast. So, Scorpio, whatever your situation right now, you need to think positive, okay? So, protection is a rejection is a protection anyway. Sorry for that, but that's what I believe in, and everything happens for a reason anyway. So, with the High Priestess and the Strength card, like, are you kidding me? Strength card and the High Priestess. High Priestess is not joking, because High Priestess is, High Priestess and wisdom is like together. Okay, based on your experience, your intuition right now is very heightened, like very ang lakas, so powerful with the Strength card. Why? Nasabi kong High Priestess, ang gut feeling mo, intuition mo, kung ano man yung sinasabi ng puso mo or kutob mo, yun ang gawin mo, Brad. Yun ang nakikita ko, okay? So, a personal issues reaches resolution. So, yeah, kung may mga personal issues ka man regarding sa negative situation in the past, you're gonna resolve it. I mean, no doubt. Because the solution is in the air already. So, it's up to you. Anyway, so I will give you 3 cards from the angel card. So, search mo sa Google, angel message number. Bibigyan ka ng 3 number. Tapos, i-search mo siya. Okay. Tingnan natin. Baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, you have 9. You have 5. You have 5 again. So, 955. 55, 5 number in numerology is, it's a powerful change. Okay. So, yeah. Google mo angel message number 955. Basahin mo kung anong message sa'yo doon. Makarelate sa situation mo. So, that's what I have for you, Scorpio. Sa mga resonate po, hit the thumbs up and subscribe ka na rin po for future videos para po connected tayo. Para po naman sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Baka masagap ko na kung ano yung energy nyo. So, yeah. Thank you for being here, Scorpio. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.